So this is the math worksheet. It should be in the math section of your binder. I told you to put it at the front of your math section so that way you wouldn't lose it. There are two worksheets. One worksheet is just addition, and it says to add using different strategies. Just use standard algorithm. If you want to try using a different strategy, you can, but you don't have to. And this worksheet is for you to practice. This is not the one that's required, and I'm not going to show you how to do it. Okay? You guys can do it. This is the one that is required practice. Okay? And we're going to do it together right now. First, you're going to write your name at the top. Your name, not my name. Okay? And then we're just going to get right to it. We are going to estimate the sum of each addition problem to check if the student's answer is reasonable. If not, cross out the answer and write the correct answer. So these are the addition problems. These are the addition problems. This is the student's answer, and this is the estimate. So first, we're going to estimate to see if this answer is reasonable for this equation. After we estimate, we're then going to write the correct answer. Now, we only have to write the correct answer. We only have to solve this if the student's answer is not reasonable. Okay, so let's estimate first. Okay, so I'm going to round to the nearest 1,000. Each one of these, okay? So I'm going to first, this is what you should be doing too. We're going to write the number and then round to the nearest 1,000. This is our thousands place. We're going to look next door. It's a 4, so that means that this number is going to stay the same. So this is 23,000. All of the numbers behind the thousands place turn to zeros. Our next number is 35,507. We're going to round this number to the nearest 1,000 as well. We're going to look next door. It's a 5, so that tells us that this 5 is going to round up to 36,000. All the zeros behind it, or all the numbers behind it, become zeros. 0, 0, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5. 59,000. So our estimated answer is going to be 59,000. Their answer was only 12,000. Clearly they did something wrong. So we are going to cross this out, and then we're going to solve it over here to find the correct answer. Okay, so 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the actual answer is 58,918. And look, our answer is super close to our estimated answer. In fact, it's less than 100 off. So that was a great number to estimate to. All right, let's estimate this next problem. So we're going to write estimate. And then we're going to write the number 72,418. I'm going to round to the nearest 1,000 again. I just think that that's going to be the easiest. So the 2 is here. We're going to look next door. And this is a 4, so it's going to tell us to stay the same. So we have 72,000. Our next number is 41,291, and we are going to estimate to the nearest 1,000. We're going to underline our 1,000. Look next door. We have a 2. 2 tells us to stay the same. 41,000. Then we're going to add 0, 0, 0, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 113,000. Well, this student got 113,709. And, you know, those numbers are so close. I'm going to say he is probably correct. So we do not need to add to find out if he's correct. He is super close. Okay. You do the